Alright guys, what's going on? I'm out here today, again at the farm, and I'm going to do another cold start of the John Deere over here, as you can see. And this time, the cold weather, has set in for good, because we just got our first snow of the winter for this year, here in Alabama. And so now it's quit snowing now, but it's still about 30 degrees outside. And so, in here in the barn, it's about that cold, and so gonna go out here and attempt to start it now, and thankfully, since it's not snowing, don't have to feed in the snow, but still gonna be pretty cold. And so, tractor, I don't think the tractor has been started in probably a couple of days now, and so it's gonna be interesting to see what it does. And the last time I tried to do this, it took it a little while to start. Sitting there cranking on it, and just cranking and cranking and cranking. Finally got it to fire up, but not sure what's going to happen today, because don't think it's been cranked in a couple of days, but I'm going to go out here and get on it now, and we'll find out what happens together. Here we go. There we go. Well, there you go. That was about what it did last time I tried to crank it when it was this cold. So I'm actually impressed it did that this time. And, last time I tried to film this, it was kind of a bummer, and I didn't think it was gonna, I didn't think last time I tried to start it, it was gonna crank over like that. But then, it ended up not doing it. But then, hey, come here today. Look at that. 2 tries on it. She's up and running now. Oh yeah. So I'm not trying to, blow up my YouTube account right now with cold starts, but with it being winter time, that's about all you can really get out and do. And so, cold starts are a popular thing to have on YouTube. And so, it's just something that everybody seems to like to watch, is those cold starts. And so, that's just why I like to get out here and film them for you. And so, I'm just going to let the tractor warm up here for a minute or two. Because, I don't like driving them when the diesel motor like that is cold. Because, they say, well, actually, you're supposed to let a diesel motor actually warm up before you go anywhere with it. And so, plus on this tractor too, when you try to crank it and it's cold like that, the hydraulics are kind of slow, with that oil being so thick. So, trying to give that oil time to warm up and circulate through and try to thin out a little bit. So, yeah, that's my cold start pretty much. And so you can see the John Deere 5103. Took 2 tries to start. So that's really about all I can really tell you. Don't really know what else to really say, but which I'm probably gonna have to do a lot of feeding this winter out here, because I don't really know what's going on with my uncle, because my uncle is actually the one that comes in here and does the feeding, since he lives like right across the pasture from my grandmother. But apparently he's having to work late a lot now, and so I think he's gonna start calling me a lot to come out here and do the feeding for him. And so I'll probably be posting a few more videos of me out here feeding the cows, you know, and maybe cold starting the tractor a few more times. And so at least it's not snowing no more. It was snowing earlier. They let school out at 10:30, so I was out about to leave, you know, pretty quick. And so it quit snowing, but now there's still a light dusting out here on the ground. And you know, like I said, it's about 30 degrees out here, so that's about all I can tell you. So I'm just gonna let the tractor warm up for a little bit here. And you gotta love the smell of that burning, cold diesel smell, you know. Always makes the barn smell really good when you fire up a cold diesel like that. So that's about all I can tell you, and that's about all I can probably video for you right now. So if you enjoyed this video, you can comment, rate, and subscribe for more, and don't forget to follow my Instagram account. You know, Dawson Presto 16 is the name, and so that's about it. So thanks for watching, guys.